So I used a 1 1/4 inch iron to create this wave through the hair, pin them into place, and for combing this wave out, I'm going to use a tail comb because I want to really comb all the way through the wave. And what this will do is it enables you to see where that wave is sitting in the hair. And you can either spray it into place as is, or you can give it a little bit of back combing, which helps with the foundation underneath. And then just spread and work that wave into place. Use a little bit of hairspray. And there we go.